This is a 10 meter multicoloured firecracker on a dark green wire. So that's the steady on function. The next button you press is a very fast flash. It's a crazy flash. Then if you press the next one, it slows down. Then third function, it slows down even more. Fourth function, slower again. Fifth function is slower than previous. And the sixth is very slow. So that's actually flashing the individual colours. You're back to steady on again. So it's not like your normal 8 functions. You don't have slow fade in and fade out. You just have various speeds of flash, including steady on with a memory.